Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general reading, guys. We have Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords in reverse, and Four of Wands in reverse. So Virgos, in your situation, guys, you are someone really loving, caring, protective. So with the people in your life, maybe in your relationship, so you simply care for that person, you love them, and you are someone really devoted, honest, and you are intelligent, and maybe you simply love to take care of the people in your life, maybe your siblings, parents, or your friends, and even this person you love. So you love to be that caring, loving friend who is there who is there helping others in any difficult situation, guys. And people greatly appreciate you for your compassionate nature, for your kind gestures, and they simply love to be with you, and that is what this person feels. And maybe there are people in your life who are really jealous of you, guys. They are jealous of your the way you are, maybe the way you are with others, that helping and that honest nature. People are really envious of you, envious of this, envious of what you are. They are really envious of your reputation, and your reputation is growing. So they are simply jealous, and they cannot handle the way you are, the way you are popular, or the way you are charming, helping. And maybe for some of you, they may try to act as a competition, maybe acting weirdly around you, and they just cannot handle your reputation, guys. So that is the reason they are quite jealous or envious of you. But whatever difficulties they are trying to create for you, guys, it is not going to affect you, because you are moving towards something really positive. Maybe in this relationship or in your career situation, you are celebrating some success, some happiness. So that is also what I see. So some kind of a positive news or a positive change is happening in your life today. It may be in your work, or it may be in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card, maybe this person you are in love with, maybe they are the one who are jealous, because we have this card here. It just means that you do not share that great faith. Maybe this person does not believe in you, or you do not believe in them. Maybe that level of understanding may not be there. Maybe you are in a new relationship. That may be the reason for this card. Or for some of you, you feel that you cannot trust this person. Maybe the ways they behave, or something they say, it may show that they cannot be trusted, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we have Fool in reverse. So Virgos, if you are making some important choices in your career, guys, you need to think twice, because you are rushing towards something without thought, and it may be something that may not work for you, something that may go wrong. So you need to think clearly. If you want success, you need to think clearly. Only then you will be able to go in the right way. So carelessness is going to take you into a difficult situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. So for those who chose this card, the first card, a change in the wind. So that is the card for you all, guys. So in your circumstances, you are preparing yourself for some kind of a situation. You feel deep down in your heart of hearts something is coming up, some kind of a feeling or a premonition, maybe for some of you, and you are resisting it. You don't want to face that difficult situation, so you are resisting that change or resisting that emotion that is threatening you in this relationship. Or maybe this person you are in relationship with, they have a change of heart, something has changed and they are moving away from you, for some of you guys. Or for some of you, there is some kind of sense, overwhelming emotion today. You feel something may go wrong in this relationship and you see the signs for it. So maybe you are having some arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship. But you need not worry, guys, because this is going to happen. Maybe the rough sea or rough situation offers you some kind of opportunities for mutual growth. Maybe you are growing from it. You will learn the valuable lessons you need to learn because you are facing these difficult circumstances today, and you will understand yourself and you will understand this other person in a better way, and you can be happy for that. You can be happy for for that lesson you are learning today, maybe if you are already in some difficult circumstance. So you need to just stay away from this from these emotions. Maybe take a break from this relationship, or take a break from reacting to the other person, reacting to this relationship, and this will clear things. And you need to understand that even this situation will change. This too will change for sure. So nothing is permanent in our life, guys, even our troubles. So it is going to change very soon, guys. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the other card. So for those who chose this card, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel card stands for love, peace, and tolerance. So, this angel guides us, helps us to have that true love in our lives, unconditional love, love for ourselves and love for others. And in order to have that love, we need to see the beauty of that other person, beauty of their soul, see the beauty at the heart level. So when you are struggling with relationships, finding it difficult to adjust, or finding it really difficult to find that love and compatibility in any relationship, this angel helps us to repair that wounded or broken relationships, and the guidance is for us to be non-judgmental with the people who are there in our life, find that common ground, have that mutual love, respect, caring, compassion for each and every one of our personal journeys. So we respect, just like we respect what we love to do or what is our life's purpose, same way we respect that other person. So when we do that, it brings that tolerance and peace in our relationship, harmony. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should be able to, if you want this love, if you want this relationship, you should be able to find a way to connect deeply with the other person through love, tolerance, and peace. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.